Hello, this is Sara Swentik, independent paparazzi consultant, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a set to show on a live sale using Shopify. So whether you use Shopify for inventory purposes, for your website, or for any other reason, this is an easy way to create up sales in your live sale by showing sets of those pieces that you get in your new boxes. You can also make sets of vintage or older pieces. I found that a lot of customers sometimes won't buy an item if they don't have other pieces to wear with it. So when you show them additional pieces to go with a new piece, you give them the opportunity of almost creating their own fashion fix set or creating their own style if they want to pair it with other items that they already have or grab additional new pieces. So for today, we are going to use this bracelet as our set base, this pink natural stone bracelet that's stretchy with silver accents. So I'm going to find other pieces to coordinate with this item to make a set to show on my live sale. So what I'm going to do is go to my Shopify product page, and this lists all of my products. Some that are not in stock, anything that I have uploaded into my Shopify for my website. So what I'm going to do is use this filters tab. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click availability. I want to pull down to available on online store. So that is going to be all of the items that are on my website. Because we are matching with the pink bracelet, I know that in my set, I'm going to build around that. So I do not need to add another bracelet. So the first piece I'm going to look for is a necklace to go with. I'm going to pull down on this product type to necklace and I'm going to hit done. So this is going to pull up all of the necklaces that are available on my online store where the product type is necklace. The other thing I'm going to do is sort these items. So I don't want to sell or show something on my live sale that I only have one, maybe two of. I would rather show something I have multiples of so that more customers have a chance to purchase it. So what I'm going to do is click the sort button and I'm going to click this high inventory button. So then this list is going to automatically filter to the pieces that I have the most of. Okay. So the other thing I'm going to do is type in descriptive words bracelet. So I'm going to type in the words pink stone. So automatically all of the items that have tags in them for pink stone are going to show up on this list. A tag, I will show you, is a descriptive word in Shopify that you may search for or that describes the item. So if I'm looking at this particular necklace, here is the word stone and the word pink. That is why this necklace comes up when I search under pink stone. So what I'm going to do is go back to the product list and I'm going to look for a necklace that potentially matches that bracelet that I'm trying to make a set for. So this necklace would match. It's called Desert Pools. If I look at a larger picture of it, it does have the pink natural stone with veining. So I can know that I have 4 of those items and that if you have watched my other YouTube videos, you know my filing system. So that is in box 181. So I can go pull one of those necklaces to go with that stretchy pink bracelet that I'm trying to build the set around. So I have now a necklace and a bracelet. So now I'm going to go back to this filters tab and I'm going to pull down and I'm going to find some earrings. So I'm going to change the product type to earring and click done. And now it's going to again search all of the pink stone earrings that I have available. Again, sorting them by the highest to lowest. So as I scroll down, this earring would probably match Mesa Mustang. It is in box 62 when I need to go grab one. I can look at the picture. Indeed, it will match. It has silver with the pink natural stone. So I can scroll down here and I have 3 of them available. Okay. So I could pull this particular earring to match my existing bracelet and necklace set. So now I'm going to pull a ring. So then I will have 4 pieces to go with this bracelet. So instead of having just the bracelet to show on my live sale, I potentially have 4 pieces to show. So now I'm going to go back to product type under the filters tab, and I'm going to select ring and hit done. So then these are all of the pink stone rings. So I can click on this one, Tumble & Tumbleweeds. It is in box 057. And here's the picture of the ring, and indeed it does match that set that I'm trying to build. Okay? So instead of just showing the one bracelet piece again, this one, I do have 3 other pieces that match that. So I can show all 4 of those pieces on my live sale. So we can do this again with another item. If I am pulling, let's see, say I want to match this yellow wood bracelet, which is called Colorfully Congo. I can go back to my Shopify page. I can take off the product type that is ring, and in here I could type in yellow wood. So that is an existing yellow wood bracelet. So here, now because I know that I have less of this specific product type, any items that are yellow and wood, I may not need to separate them out by filter. So this necklace I have 6 of, so I could pull that necklace to go with. If I needed an earring, I could use this earring, which is a yellow wood earring, to go with. It would be in box 76. So I know that I would have that original bracelet, and I could pull this wood necklace, Wonderfully Walla Walla, which I have 6 of, and then this earring to go with, which is Natural Novelty, and I have 4 of those. So that is how I build my sets. It is very easy and very quick, and you can search by anything. So if you had blue acrylic, earrings, for example, that you were trying to build a set around, you could search by blue acrylic, and it's going to come up with all of your blue acrylic pieces, or all the pieces that have those 2 words in that tag descriptive section. Okay? And because there's a lot of these, it would be easier for me if I'm matching earrings to then go through and use the product type to pull down a necklace. And then I know that I have these necklaces available in blue acrylic. Okay? So hopefully this helps with your sales and adding on additional pieces. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.